Hello everyone, very good evening. Coming quick live for showing couple of new features which we have recently added as per the user feedback and requirement on Autotest data and testing daily. Please let me know guys if you can hear me. So there were like lots of feedback and great inputs from the users and community. So that all has been implemented now. Hi Suraj. Suraj, can you confirm if you guys can hear me? Very good evening. Okay. Can someone please confirm if you can hear me? Great. Thanks guys. Thanks for the confirmation. Hi Satya. Great. So first of all, if you are not aware about Autotest data and testing daily, so in that case, let me tell you that Autotest data is the new tool which we recently launched. So let me just share my screen as well, which is basically used to generate the test data for your testing just in like very few steps, because earlier it was there that we have to waste a lot of time while generating the test data. You have to use you were using like some kind of library like fake test data and many other libraries people were using. That used to take a lot of time. To simplify that, we introduced this auto test data, which helps you guys to generate the testing data test data just in few steps, like uh, just in three steps, three simple steps. You click and done, and you are done. So let me just share my screen and show you guys what is there in my plate. So I hope you can see my screen now. Okay, so here you can see that this is the auto test data. First we'll talk about this auto test data, what is there, what new things are there, and then we'll talk about the testing daily. So in AutoTest data, you can see that this is the one here, and directly you can open the autotestdata.com here. So this is the tool, and here you can just like in three simple steps generate the test data. So you see that by default it has name, phone, email, currency, number, range, and then if you want to add more data types, that you can add it of course from here. So for now, let's say you want to generate the this data in JSON format. So you can simply click on generate and it will generate the number of rows is 10. So 10 rows are generated. You can download this, or you want to copy, you can copy this data, and you can see that a unique data has been generated, like email, phone number, name, currency, number, everything is generated. So it's very easy now to generate the data. Anything you want to change, like let's say you want to change name, phone or something, or you want to add some data, like we added a date field as well. So this was from the suggestion. So let me just also pull out what all suggestions were there from the user and the feedback here. So you will see that we have added a couple of things. Okay, so first of all, like this is how you can generate the data. It's very simple. And if you want to add anything like from here, any more field, like let's say you want to add postal zip code or country or region or anything you want to add, that you can add it here. Like let's say you want to add date, click on this. Here you can choose the date format, in what date format you want to generate, and this is the header name. It will come, and then you can simply click on generate, and it will generate the data here. Okay, now we'll see that what all new things we have added. So first thing is this, that date we have added here. Date was not there earlier. So this was from the feedback here. So you can see. Uh, okay, so let me just go one by one from here. would it be great there will be loaded added when click on generate button. So this feature is added now, like when you will click on generate, you will see the loader here. So this way, like you will get to know, okay, there is a something like it is generating the data. Even if you click on refresh, this will load and generate the new data. So this is one. Restricted phone number digit, this is also done. This is also fixed now. Please add date of birth or like any date field. So now we have the date field. You can see that we have added the date field. So this is also a user feedback. Now you can generate the date as well in any number of format you want to get that. Date is done. So can we have a format to generate test data with pipes, which we can directly copy to our Cucumber features file. So yes, this is also done. Now suppose you want to generate separated by pipe, where you can like this data will be in separated by pipe format. So you select this, click on generate, and here you see that now that this data is in separated by pipe format. You can simply copy and use it in your like in any data for like in your Cucumber framework or whatever, or you can download this in a text file. So this is also done. Delete functionality we have here, this is also fixed now. So earlier there was an issue in this functionality that you were able to delete all of them. So that is fixed. So this is also done. Country postal code alphanumeric data were not generated, this is also fixed now. So let me just close this. So earlier this feature was not working, that it was not generating the data. So this is fixed. Here you can see that if you want to generate the alphanumeric data, sorry, you can select this alphanumeric field, click on add, and suppose let's say you don't want these fields and we just want the name and alphanumeric number we want to generate. So click on generate, and you see that here it is generating name, and these are the number alphanumeric numbers, and you see that it is generating 5 digits. So like maximum 5, length is 5. So suppose you want to increase the length, then in that case you can increase the length and decrease the length from here, and that many number of like fields like that much length it will generate for these alphanumeric numbers, alphanumeric value basically. Okay, so this is also done. So all these feature suggestion has been implemented. This is fixed now. So this is not done. This is done actually. Yeah. So this is like pretty much all the issues and suggestion has been added. Now I will tell you that date is the new field which we have added here. Uh, Fix for alphanumeric value is done. We are adding the country option for the postal code, like where you will select this postal zip code, and when you will like click on add, then here you will have the country option if you want to generate with for any particular country. So that option we are adding it right now, so we are working on that. Okay, before I move on, like explain more great features, let me just take a couple of questions here if you guys have any. So yeah, if any question is there, feel free to ask. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer. Shall we generate random data? Yes, this is Hanu, this is a random data only. So what it is generating, that is a random data only. This is a fake random data for your testing purpose. Okay, now let me just refresh this page. So it will be having all the fields again. So you see that here when you are adding new field or you want to organize like in your way, like you don't need phone number after name, or email is the first field which you required. So earlier what was happening, that you were not able to like in whatever format, whatever sequence it is having here, you have to like you were able to generate in that format only. Now we have this option that if you want to drag and drop and change their position, that you can do. So now simply you can drag and drop anywhere, and then if you now you see that phone is here at fourth position, and whatever you want you can change, and you click on generate, and you see that here it is generating at fourth position. So you can change the sequence as well. Okay, so this is The another great feature has been added for your convenience. You will, if you will try to delete all of them, you will get the message as well. Now better options there. We have changed this placeholder to make it more user friendly and more obvious that what it is here. So now you see that it is letting you know that this is select data type, what you are supposed to select here. Then here we added more format, like we added separated by pipe. Earlier this was not there. JavaScript, SQL, and lot more. Excel also has been added now. So in whichever format you want to generate the data, you just select that and just click on generate, and it will generate here. UI optimization has been done. Now you will see that better and neat and clean UI. So this is there. And here you of course like have this CSV copy and refresh button also we have added. So now you would be able to refresh those things, whatever you will see it here. Also we are showing the like important information here, like let's say if you see here, it is showing uh, important things like for important testing tools and other stuff. It will show here related to testing, and it will help you to let those things know for you. Like RTP, mini RTP is happening in Bangalore this Saturday. So if you guys are there in Bangalore or nearby, please do join us. This will be very very helpful and exciting. You can just register here. Me, Naveen, and Mukesh are going to host this event uh, in collaboration with Mulya Testing in Bangalore at the Mulya Testing office in HSR. So please do join. This is going to be very very helpful for you guys. Okay, so these are the updates about the Autotest data. You can always check out what all features, what all things we have added. And if you have any suggestion, feel free to add a ticket here. You can find the suggestion link here. So there you can add the ticket. And this is the Autotest data. You can generate the test data in just in 3 simple steps. Select the data type, what format you want to generate, number of rows you want to generate, let's say 100 rows or 50 rows, whatever, that you click here generate, and it will generate those many rows. And then you can just simply copy or download. I will request all of you that if you haven't tried this, do try. There is no installation, nothing is required, and you can just simply open autotestdata.com and you would be able to generate the data. Very simple uh, solution, very simple and easy to use. There is nothing like you have to learn or something like that. It's very very easy, and you will always find the tutorial here about this tool. So if anything new comes, you can always check out there here, and we will keep adding more and more tutorial about these things. Feel free to write about this tool. Let your community, your network know about this amazing solution. It will definitely help a lot of time. This will definitely help a lot of people, and it will save a lot of time for people. Now let me see if you guys have any question. Bhanu, shall we generate random data? Yes, this is generating random data. Maxize it support. Is this open source? Yes, this is absolutely free. What will you do if it is open source? There are 100 rows. Every row we need name, email, mobile number. Every row email should be different. Name should be different. Mobile number should be different. Yes, Bhanu, this everything it is different. Like in each and every row. So yes, you are right. Like you see that in each row, name and email and every field will be different. It will not be like the same. So mostly you will notice that everything like in these suppose 5 6 rows are visible here. So you can see that here every row has different values for each and every field. So don't worry about that. That has been taken care. If you ever found any issue, you can always raise a ticket. And because this is like very recently launched app, it's not even a 15 or 20 days old tool. So this is evolving, and we are fixing and adding all the features which you guys required. So if you feel that this is not there, anything is missing, then feel free to add the ticket and we will fix that. But definitely this is going to be very very helpful for you guys. Feel free to share this in your network. You can just share this live session itself in your network so that people will get to know. And also like feel free to write about art, write article, create tutorial, or let give a demo in your company so that it will be very very helpful for them. So this is auto test data, guys. Auto test data to generate the fake test data just in 3 simple steps. Okay, next is testing daily. Testing daily is another great app, very helpful to get you guys all the latest testing updates from different platforms. Like it is available already as a website, as a browser plugin, as a mobile app. So I will highly recommend that please add it in your browser, so next time when you open new tab, you get the latest testing information, like what's happening around in testing. And if you want to open website, you can open website, simple. So this is going to be very helpful. Every time you open new tab, you get something new. That's what's happening around there, like page object model, why and when should you use it. Test rigger is telling about, they have written this blog and article. So it is like really impossible for each and for people like us, that we every day we check like what all new article, new tutorial came on different platforms. So that's where like testing daily will help a lot, to keep you guys updated, that what people are writing on Medium, what people are talking on Twitter related to testing, only related to testing, nothing else. Then what new tutorial are coming on YouTube, what on different, like thousands of blogs are there, blogger website, Medium is there, WordPress is there, everything we have incorporated. We have added official Selenium block feed here, official Cypress block feed here, so you can always check out under customize here which all, from which all platforms it is showing the testing data. So imagine like from so many platforms you are getting the latest testing data here at one platform. So this is really amazing, that from all these platforms we are putting all the data at one place, latest data and latest testing data, latest testing feed at one place. So that like you, uh, we can keep you all updated with all the testing information. So here you see that Medium, YouTube, Reddit, Lambda Test, Twitter, Blogspot, WordPress, Selenium, Cypress, Test Rigger, Prover testing. So many platforms we have added now, and we are trying to add more and more. Every day we are adding more platforms. Today, like more than 120 YouTube channel, 110 plus, no, I guess more than 130 plus Medium author, 100 plus YouTube channel, then Reddit, uh, more than 30 WordPress website, more than 20 Blogspot website, then Selenium. So in fact, like in total more than 250 plus sources. We are showing you the feed from more than 250 plus sources now, which is amazing. So every time you open testing daily, mobile app or plugin or website, you get to learn something new. It will add some value in your career. So you see, whenever there is some new tutorial at Test Kill by Joe, any new thing, any Medium article from anyone, you will always find immediately here, and this will really help you guys a lot. So I will request you all that please add this browser plugin in your browser, and don't consider it as a bug, like whenever you open new tab it will show you a feed here. So this is actually like in place of showing blank tab, it will show you this feed here. And if you want to open website, then you can open website. And there is a like lots of improvements has been done. So if you like any article here, you can always upvote, you can comment, you can bookmark any article. Like let's say you don't have time right now to watch this, you can bookmark this and then later come back and watch that thing, like so you can watch those things. So similarly here, like if you like any article, you can upvote that, you can do lots of stuff. So this is very helpful in testing daily. You will love that. And like get engaged with the people, and these all things are going to be very helpful for you guys. Do install this on your mobile from Play Store and App Store, and whenever you have time, just open the app and scroll. You will get a lot of feed, amazing feed, which will help you. Great. So if you have any question, feel free to ask, more than happy to answer. Any plan to get feed from LinkedIn in future? Yes, definitely we'll try that. If that will be possible, we will try to add LinkedIn feed as well, like which will be important, because there are like lots of things are there on LinkedIn, because most of them are the post. So yes, we'll try to see that if articles or blogs we can get them here, if somebody writes the article or blog there. Not the like post will not be good fit for the testing daily, because so many people share so many things. But like Medium and other website, those are the things where people write the actual blog and articles and create the tutorial and meaningful content for the people, for the testers. And already, in fact, like more than 10,000 testers are already using Testing Daily. So if you guys don't have Testing Daily mobile app on your mobile phone, then please do install it and add the browser plugin in your browser. All the links here you will find on Testing Daily, like SelectorsHub website, or you can directly open testingdaily.info. The link is already there in this live streaming video in the description, so that you can get it from there. So yeah, these were like a couple of quick updates I wanted to give all of you. So if you have any question, anything, feel free to always reach out to me, or you can check out the on the website. And always, we used to keep adding latest tutorial on SelectorsHub YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the SelectorsHub YouTube channel, so you keep getting all the latest update and information on all the tools offered by SelectorsHub. So any questions, guys? I will wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll end the session for today. Thank you so much for joining, by the way. Thanks for sharing information with us. You are helping the testing community grow better. Thanks, Mohammed. Thanks for joining and thanks for your kindness. Please share these tools with your network, in your community. If you haven't shared the Testing Daily mobile app in your QA groups, in your WhatsApp QA groups or testing groups, then please do share and let others know about them so that they can also install and get the latest testing information. And don't forget to join the mini RTP happening this Saturday in Bangalore. So it will be great networking event. So please do join us if you are there in Bangalore. Great. No question? Okay. So thanks again. Thanks everyone for joining. And if you get any question, any thought, any question, feel free to add that in the comment section and I will be happy to answer all of your question. Thank you. Thanks once again, everyone. Thanks, Bahanu. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Bye-bye and have a great evening. Great week ahead. Bye.